Hi all, I'm Rachana. Today we are gonna look into batch delete item operation of Amazon Dynamo DB connector in Mule. For example, if we want to delete multiple items in one or more table, then we can go ahead with batch delete item operation, which deletes multiple items in a single call. A single call can transmit up to 16 MB of data over a network with the help of batch delete item operation. Let's see how my demo Dynamo DB table looks like. Here is my demo Dynamo DB looks like. Okay, which consists of an student ID, SK, followed by a branch and a subject. Let's see how my flow looks like. Here is my a simple flow which consists of an listener and payload, followed by a batch delete item connector, followed by a success response. Let's see how my input payload for batch delete item operation is constructed. Okay, I'm taking my student ID from the URI params which I passed from the postman, and I'm providing a DynamoDB table name followed by I'm iterating over the payload which I passed through the postman and mentioning over here it has a delete request followed by I'm providing the ID and SK, and I'm wrapping this whole delete request object as a class of org Mule extension DynamoDB API model dot write request. This we can see in our connector under org Mule extension DynamoDB API model. Here it is. Now let's see how my connector looks like. I'm providing a basic Amazon DynamoDB connection which consists of an secret key, access key followed by the region, and I'm providing what kind of request it is, whether it is an expression or an edit inline, followed by I'm passing the payload which I have constructed in the previous step. And the final step I have my success response. Let's see the demo now from Postman. Here I'm providing the student ID which I was having in my DynamoDB, followed by the subject hash 01 follow and subject hash 02. Okay. Now batch data item is success. Let's see my DynamoDB. Initially I had 2 records. After refreshing, I should have 0 records. Yeah, we have successfully deleted the items. Thank you. Happy learning.